Hi and welcome to Casual DIY channel. My name is Thomas and today we'll be unboxing, testing and reviewing the brand new circular saw from Evolution, the R185CCSL. So let's get started. Just a quick disclaimer before we proceed with the unboxing. This saw is brand new, is due to go out for sale in September 2018. That saw was provided to me free of charge by Evolution Power Tools UK to check it out with no obligation. So you can be assured that whatever I say, it's what I think. There was no script, anything like that. So if I find something wrong with this saw, you can be assured I will tell you. But let's check it out. So what's in the box? Obviously we've got our instructions. Next we've got our guide. Some dust extraction adapters, which is always quite handy. And the saw itself. And obviously not forgetting the blade. It's 185 millimeters. So let's talk about specs of this machine. It's 1200 watts, 185 millimeter blade. It can cut through 64 millimeters of material, and on the 45-degree angle it can go through 40 millimeters. It's got 3-meter cable and the machine weighs 4.1 kilograms. Obviously it comes with the multi-blade that can cut through wood and metal. It also comes with an electric blade brake, which always adds to the safety features. Before we proceed with testing the machine, we need to put the blade in. There's a very clever hiding place for your Allen key, which is just there. The saw stop is just located over here. So let's put the blade on. Always remember, when changing blades on any of your machinery, make sure it's not plugged into power. As some of the basics features, obviously you can change the angle of your cut right up to 45 degrees, and there's no issues with doing so. It's a nice rubber lever. It's got a good feel to it. It's easy to grab, easy to pull and easy to adjust. Obviously you can also adjust the depth of cut by pulling the lever that's located at the back of the machine. Pull it, change it to whatever depth you need, pull it back, boom, job done. But let's have a look how it performs. First of all, a piece of MDF, 18 millimeters in thickness. Next, OSB sheet. Let's try something a bit harder now. It's a glue up of oak, mahogany and ash. Let's have a look how it goes with that. Okay, it's time for a scaffolding board, something a little bit thicker. Okay, then let's try something else. In the end, this is a multi-blade. So let's have a look how it copes with wood and nails. Right, and so far so good. Next we'll be doing some angle cuts and we'll try to cut some metal. But before we proceed to that, I just want to mention that I'm planning to make a couple of more videos where I'm going to be comparing this particular saw with a budget saw I already got from Von House and a Parkside one that's battery powered. It will be interesting to see how they all perform and stack up against each other. All in all, they are all budget saws. So if you don't want to miss it, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this particular video, leave me that like button down below. But let's proceed. Let's try out a 45-degree angle cut. Not bad for a circular saw, I have to say. And some final thoughts about the machine. So all in all, it seems to be a very good tool, and as knowing Evolution, it will be well priced. On top of it, you are getting 3-year warranty, which does say a lot. On the downside, it's only 185mm size blade, so in some cases, for some jobs, it may not be big enough. But for me, general DIY, I think there's plenty of space to work with. The materials used for this saw do have this premium feel to it, which is always nice for a, you know, a budget type tool. The dust extraction system is actually not too bad at all either, although do not expect results from, let's say, Festool. It's not this level of tools, but comparing this to the other cheap circular saws I had, this is actually quite good. All in all, at this moment in time, I can't really fault this tool for absolutely anything, but obviously time will tell. If anything bad happens to this tool, you can be assured that I will come back with a video and I will tell you about it. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video interesting, and especially this tool, leave me a like button down below. If you've got any questions about this saw, obviously leave me a comment down below as well. But thank you for now, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next week on my next woodworking adventure. Till then, take care.